This is a 2009 Nissan 370Z. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include a carbon fiber drive shaft, a double wishbone independent front suspension, an aluminum hood, variable valve and event lift, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Nissan Intelligent Key Entry and Ignition Systems, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an electronic throttle, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, steering wheel mounted controls, and this vehicle has less than 27,000 miles. This Nissan has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.